When it comes to maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment, proper ventilation is crucial. Whether you live in the Coachella Valley or any other location, a well-designed and efficiently operating ventilation system is essential for sustaining healthy air quality and creating a pleasant home atmosphere. By prioritizing ventilation, you can reap the rewards of improved air quality, energy savings, and a more comfortable living environment for you and your family. One of the most significant benefits of proper ventilation is improved indoor air quality. Poorly ventilated spaces can lead to a buildup of pollutants such as dust, allergens, mold spores, and volatile organic compounds. These contaminants can negatively impact the health of those living in the space by causing respiratory issues or exacerbating existing conditions like asthma or allergies. However, by ensuring that fresh outdoor air is continuously circulated throughout your home, with an effective mechanical ventilation system, you can significantly improve indoor air quality. Another benefit of proper ventilation is reduced energy costs. A properly functioning ventilation system can help regulate the temperature within your home by removing excess heat during hot summer months and retaining warmth during colder seasons. This means that less strain is placed on your heating and cooling systems, ultimately leading to reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills. While portable air filters can be helpful in improving indoor air quality temporarily by trapping airborne particles such as dust mites or pollen, they should be used alongside proper mechanical ventilation systems for long-term solutions. Air conditioning systems can also help improve air quality by filtering out pollutants and allergens, but they should not be solely relied upon for ventilation purposes. Ensuring that your home is equipped with a dedicated air ventilation system is essential for the best possible indoor air quality. By prioritizing ventilation, you can also promote enhanced comfort and well-being in your home. And by spending time indoors with poor ventilation, it can lead to discomfort and even health issues due to stale or polluted air. By ensuring that fresh outdoor air is continuously circulated throughout your home, you create a more comfortable living environment for everyone inside. This promotes overall well-being and reduces the likelihood of developing respiratory problems or other ailments related to poor indoor air quality. There are various types of ventilation systems available for homeowners in the Coachella Valley and elsewhere to improve indoor air quality and maintain a comfortable living environment. Comprehending the distinctions between these systems can assist you in making a knowledgeable decision as to which one is most suitable for your residence. Natural ventilation relies on passive airflow through windows, doors, vents, and other openings to circulate fresh outdoor air throughout your home. This type of system is cost-effective but may not be sufficient in poorly ventilated spaces or during extreme weather conditions when it's important to keep windows closed. Mechanical ventilation, on the other hand, uses fans and ducts to move indoor air out while bringing fresh outdoor air inside. These systems offer more control over airflow than natural ventilation methods and are particularly beneficial in areas with poor outdoor air quality or high humidity levels. Exhaust-only mechanical ventilation removes polluted indoor air from specific rooms, such as kitchens and bathrooms, where moisture buildup can lead to mold growth or unpleasant odors. Supply-only mechanical ventilation brings fresh outside air into your home, without directly exhausting stale indoor air. This method helps reduce drafts, while still improving overall indoor air quality. A balanced mechanical ventilation system combines both exhaust and supply functions, providing optimal circulation of fresh outdoor air throughout your entire home. Balanced systems often include heat recovery features that minimize energy loss during operation. In conclusion, proper ventilation is essential for maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment. By giving priority to ventilation, homeowners can improve indoor air quality, reduce energy costs, and promote enhanced comfort and well-being. While air conditioning systems and portable air filters can help improve air quality, a dedicated mechanical ventilation system is crucial for the best possible results. Homeowners should consider the various types of ventilation systems available, including natural ventilation, exhaust-only mechanical ventilation, supply-only mechanical ventilation, and balanced mechanical ventilation, to determine which is most suitable for their residence. Ultimately, a well-designed and efficiently operating ventilation system can provide numerous benefits and is an investment in the health and comfort of you and your family. If you have any further questions regarding the importance of ventilation in your homes, please contact us.